Have you ever needed a good quick meal when you're out backpacking, hiking, camping that was good for the whole family, that would satisfy pretty much everybody? Watch this. I'll explain how, with freeze-dried ingredients, you can make an easy meal. All you have to do is add water and boil. Hi, my name is Kevin, and I am the Prepper Chef. Today I'm making chicken noodle soup with freeze-dried ingredients. I am using a pint-sized jar today, so if you want to double the recipe and put it in a quart-sized jar, you're absolutely welcome to do that. First thing we're going to add is a cup of pasta. I'm using bow tie pasta for this. If you want to save a little more room, elbows or shells might be better for you. Next, I'm going to add a half cup of freeze-dried chicken. And the big ingredients are on the bottom, so that powders and freeze-dried little things can filter down later. I'm going to add a half cup of mixed freeze-dried vegetables. This is whatever you have, whatever you want. I use carrots, peas, and corn. I tap it down a little bit to make room for the other ingredients. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered chicken broth. The powdered chicken broth will add salt to it, and it will also add the chicken flavor that is the base of the soup. So if you make this, I'd say try it, see what you think. If you want to add a little more, add a little less. People's tastes vary. The next thing we're going to add is just a few dashes of pepper. And again, this is something that later on you are more than welcome to add a little more as you're cooking it. Season it to taste. Now we're going to add some minced onion. 1 tablespoon is how much I add. And as I'm doing this, you use whatever you can find. If you dehydrate vegetables or freeze dry your own thing, that's fine. I bought, as you can see, the Augustin Farms for most of the Mountain House for the chicken. It's whatever was on sale on Amazon at the time when I was making this video. Now all the ingredients are in, and as you see, I just put down my vacuum sealer. I use that to seal the lid, and I highly recommend using one of those things, the funnel. I tap everything down, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe down the lip of the jar just to make sure there's no powder on it, which might lead to a false seal. Now when I take the lid, I usually take a Sharpie marker, an extremely fine point Sharpie marker, and I write the directions on what to do once I am making this. For example, I'm adding the jar to 6 cups of water. I boil it for 10 minutes or until the pasta is done. I'm Kevin the Prepper Chef. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you.